Good day everyone. Welcome to this video in our Azure Databricks series. Today we will walk you through a step-by-step guide on building and running your very first Databricks notebook. Whether you are a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this tutorial has got you covered. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and ring that bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's dive in. I'm going to launch the workspace. So on the workspace, just make sure your compute cluster is online started because we have an um, 10 minutes target to terminate our cluster in case of inactivity. So it's better you verify that and make sure that your compute is started. Yeah, the compute cluster is started. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create my first notebook. So click on this new here and then click on notebook. Once you have this, so what I'm going to do, I'm not a good programmer. I'm not well versed in coding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this AI for me to write the code for me. Yeah. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it to write something that is going to print the Fibonacci number. Yeah. Print top 10 5 Bone Fibonacci number. Let's click on generate here. So now if you see here, we have the required program written here for us. Yeah. So with the Copilot here, I think even if you don't know programming, if you understand what is the requirement and what needs to be implemented, then you can definitely utilize this Copilot and get the things done. Yeah. So let's try executing it. Yeah. So it's basically telling us Vivek Janigaraman's cluster is currently terminated. Would you like to start and attach to it to run your selected cells? I'm going to select this one, automatically launch and attach without prompting. So this is the thing that I told you earlier that just you need to make sure your compute resources started because we have an target of 10 minutes as far as the termination of the cluster is concerned if there is an inactivity on the cluster for 10 minutes. Yeah, so that's the reason I told you need to check that. So I started it, but there was maybe I spent 10 minutes without any activity on the cluster, so it went down. So now I'm going to click on this start, attach and run. Yeah, so it's going to take some time. Yeah, finding instances for new nodes, acquiring more instances if necessary. Yeah, so let's wait for it to start and then we will see the output. Yeah, I see an error. Yeah, so I'm just trying to show you how AI and Copilot is going to make your life easier as far as anything is concerned. But in specific in this video, we will discuss about the Databricks. Yeah. So now I have this error. Yeah. So I'm not looking at any of these things here. Instead, I'm going to click on this diagnose error. Yeah. When I click on that, it basically checks what is the error, yeah, and then gives me a replacement code. Yeah, now you look at this message here. It basically tells based on the error message and stack trace, it seems that the issue is with inferring the schema of int type in your code. To fix this, you can explicitly define the schema for the feb underscore FIB underscore sequence variable before creating the data frame. Yeah, so let me copy this code and then let me put it across here. Yeah, and then let me execute it. So if you see here, I just executed it and I'm able to get the output. Yeah, I did not do much here to be frank. Yeah, so what I basically did is I asked the AI to write me a code to print top 10 Fibonacci number. Yeah, I got an error, so I asked AI to diagnose it for me. It did it, and then it gave me a replacement code. I just copied it and I executed it, and I'm able to get the output. Yeah, we can request AI to write more for you. So you can ask print, say, um, uh, value hello world. Yeah, let's generate it. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to this is what is selected now. So like let's execute it. And if you see here, we have hello world printed. So it's basically like you need to ask what you want, yeah, and then you will be getting the required information from there. Yeah. So it's a very simple notebook. Going forward, I'll be working on some complex notebooks, but just a starter, you need to know how to create a simple notebook so that you can venture into creating some complex notebooks. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.